Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by conducting a full safety check at the dock area. Confirm a minimum of 6 feet clearance around the leveler and the trailer approach. Walk the pit area and remove debris, rags, and pallets before operation. Inspect the lip, deck, hinges, and pit for visible damage or excessive rust. Check the hydraulic fluid level and look for leaks around hoses and fittings. Wear personal protective equipment like gloves, steel-toe boots, and eye protection before any adjustment or use. Begin operation by correctly positioning the trailer and setting the parking brake. Chalk the trailer wheels and confirm trailer height matches the dock elevation. Stand at the leveler control panel and activate the raise function to lift the deck slowly. Extend the lip until it projects roughly 8 inches over the trailer bed and pauses. Lower the deck so the lip rests squarely on the trailer edge and confirm about 1-inch tolerance side to side. Verify that the indicator shows full engagement before allowing forklift traffic. Establish a routine maintenance schedule and document each service action performed. Lubricate hinges, pins, and pivot points monthly using the manufacturer-recommended grease. Inspect all fasteners and tighten bolts to specified torque values during quarterly checks. If you notice hydraulic drift or slow movement, check the reservoir and add fluid to the specified level per the manual. Replace worn seals, hoses, or bushings immediately to prevent failure. For abnormal noises, isolate the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.